Greetings again, adventurers. Welcome to my lovely backyard. I've got the chainmail set up, and now I'm going to see what happens when I take a couple of whacks at it. So I've got it set up here on a little bit of a stand. It's kind of suspended there. It should move around, and it has a gambeson that will create some padding, and between the padding and the motion should somewhat represent what would happen to a body in motion getting hit with a sword or an axe, as we'll find out in a moment. Safety first. Hold up. As you can see, it's not cut, and there's actually a little dent in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but didn't cut through at all. I'll try taking a harder swing at it. It's like I dent one slightly, but that's okay. Now we'll give it a whack with the anti-armor axe. High-tech, circa 1000s, you know. Nicked a couple, did not go through. Oh. Actually, you managed to split one of the rivets. Alright. Well, took quite a few whacks, but actually only taking out one of the chain links didn't seem to be that detrimental to the padding or the wearer inside. Just for fun, since we have this up here, I'm going to try the piercing test. I don't expect this one to go quite as well. Did go through. Alright. So I guess, to sum up, stopped half the arrows that I shot at it. Only one of them actually breaking rivet, the other one passing through because the links were too large to actually stop the shaft. So it stopped half the arrows. Didn't manage to pierce it with cuts with a sharp sword. Managed to, after a couple of whacks, to break one of the links. And didn't manage to pierce it with what I wouldn't call an armor-piercing tip, but any sort of form. But didn't actually hurt it when I tried to stab through. Alright. So I guess that's all I have for now. So, until next time, don't forget your armor.